The Form Titan DocuSign video. In this video, we'll talk about how to set up custom two-factor authentication mail when sending DocuSign to a Salesforce user. I've got a document here, and we've got everything set up. It's pushing to a Salesforce contract, but we don't have to worry about that for now. The only thing we want to worry about is assigning a user. So I'll show you how I've done that. First thing I've done is add user, and these are all my users within my Salesforce org. I'm going to select myself, add, and then I'm going to apply. But what I would like you to focus on is this. Underneath this, you've got set Salesforce to FA mail, and this is where you can set up a custom email that will go out to the user, Salesforce user, and tell them, hey, this is a document, this is the secret code. So let's get started and I'll show you how it's done. You can do that in standard editor or in HTML mode. I'm going to use HTML mode, and what we'll do is we'll just make this a little bit bigger like this, and also we'll give it a color as well, just to sort of stand out a little bit. Very dark blue like this. Okay, something like this. It will get security code for accessing document name, document. Please use the following security code to access the document name, secret code. And then we'll say, thank you, thanks, Form Titan. Or, as you can see, it's completely configurable. You can do whatever you like with this. Once you've done that, click apply. There's your Salesforce 2FA mail sent, but you must check 2FA authorization. So just check that. There's your 2FA authorization set up, and you're good to go. And then all you need to do is send this to that Salesforce user, but you can also have a 2FA authorization set up here correctly. So it's the same thing really. If you've got 2FA using the Salesforce user list, you can, if you're using two-factor authorization, you can also do it that way. If you're using the two-factor with Salesforce, then you just need to set it up here. Once you click save, go ahead and publish. It's going to send it over to this user. User's going to receive the email. You'll click on it. And here, now I'm ready to send my email address. Click confirm, and it's now going to send me the code. So remember the template we set up? Here it is. Please use the following security code to access 2FA mail document. And here is our security code. And click confirm, and you're good to go. And that's all you need to do. Simple stuff here. You don't have to worry about setting up 2FA here. You just check Salesforce user list, configure your users, and then set up your template like this. You can do it in HTML mode or standard editor. You can use these merge fields if you want. There's already two in here, but you can say hi, first name, yada yada, and then add any more details that you need to add, and you're good to go. And that's how you set up a custom 2FA mail when sending DocuSign to a Salesforce user.